What's the meaning of bookkeeping? Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping.
Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping refers to the process of systematically recording and organizing financial transactions of a business, such as purchases, sales, receipts, and payments. The result of bookkeeping is the creation of accurate and up-to-date financial records that can be used for various purposes, such as analyzing business performance, preparing tax returns, and obtaining financing. Effective bookkeeping helps businesses to better manage their finances, minimize errors, and comply with legal requirements and regulations. As a fundamental aspect of accounting, bookkeeping serves as the foundation for more advanced financial analysis and decision-making.